Hey guys, it's Snowing W, and this is my 2-year review of these car interior LED lights that are USB powered. These are pretty awesome little lights. It comes in like 4 strips, and they're very easy to install. You basically peel back the adhesive and you glue it to wherever you want to put it. Normally in the footwells, but actually I put it into a glove box because I needed more light in the glove box, as well as underneath my front passenger and front driver's side footwells, as well as underneath the dashboard, so I can actually see the stuff in my cubbies that's in the front of the dash during the nighttime. Anyways, it's been pretty good. It lasted 2 years and it still runs really well. The controls work, everything works. The only thing that kind of failed after the first 2 months is the adhesive. So the adhesive kind of failed after 2 months of ownership because it was during the summertime when I installed this 2 years ago, and the heat basically made the glue release, and it just started dangling in my dashboard as well as in the footwells and stuff. So what I did was I added 3M super adhesive super strength molding tape, which is really good. It's meant for automotive purposes like this, and it has a high heat tolerance. So after that, it's been 18 months or more, and it's been there ever since. So very, very useful. And I don't even use a lot of it. I just basically use enough to actually have that stuck onto the sides underneath the dash, which is really hot, as well as the footwells as well. So overall, it's been pretty good because I can just plug it right into the car USB port or a USB charger, for my cell phone and stuff, which is really fine. The good thing about this is that it has a memory, so when you turn it off and turn it on, it keeps the same lighting effect as you set it when you turn it off, which is really cool. So anyways, that's my 2-year review of this LED light set, and my name is Stone W. I hope this was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.